How's it going, guys? My name is Soviet Player and welcome back to Metal Gear Solid 2 Sons of Liberty. Alright, here we go again with this game. Man, I'm really enjoying it. I skipped so many parts because there were so many parts that that I had to go to Strut C. And actually, it's a long way to go, so... Alright, let's collect this.
Peter, I have sensor B.
Good. Head to the bottom of strut A.
How's your invisible bomb?
I'm looking at it, but I'm keeping my distance. How's Pliskin doing?
A few more minutes. I just got to the last strut, but there are a few enemy sentries I have to take care of.
Does it look bad, Peter?
Maybe. It's an odd one. The detonator hasn't been activated.
What?
But the sensors are live, which means...
This is Pliskin. I've located the last C4.
Is that it?
I'm about to freeze it. Then...
Wait, Pliskin! Damn! That was it!
What's going on?
The detonator just woke up. It's counting down.
What happened?
The big ones were rigged to be activated when all the baby C4s went offline. Right. The one in Shell 1 should be counting down too. Hurry!
What's the remaining time?
400 seconds.
400 seconds?
Right. Move. Get to the bottom of strut A now.
Oh no. Oh, I'm not that fast enough. Oh, damn it. BC connecting bridge. Where is that? Is that in... Oh, that's in the Strut A facility. I need to get a chaff grenade. Okay, I'm in Strut B transformer room. I'm almost there. I don't have time for this. I need to hurry up. Alright, I'm in AB connecting bridge. These guys move slow. Damn it. I don't have time for this. I don't have time for this. I don't have time. Not the time for it. Not the time. Not the time for it. Not even the time for it. Oh god. 300 seconds left. I guess I am pretty fast.
Right. Listen. Listen carefully.
What is it?
I fell for it.
Fell for what?
That man has my number. A proximity trigger. Microwave.
Microwave?
With a 7-foot range. It's not a technique, I told him. Neither was that multi-bomb booby trap. Looks like he's far surpassed me as far as explosives technique goes. As for the rest,
Pete, get the hell out of there.
there's less than 30 seconds left. It's too late.
No!
Damn.
Pliskin, get away from strut H as fast as you can.
Pete!
Right. Keep your distance. Use the spray from as far away as possible.
Me?
No.
You can do it. I know that.
I'm not so sure.
But I am. Do it. I know you can.
No. Are you serious? No. Are you kidding me? Stillman is dead now. You gotta be kidding me. That's so bull. That's bull. I swear to God. That's not even... Oh my God. You gotta be kidding me. Where is that bomb? I need sensor B, don't I? Or sensor A. I don't know. I hear it. I hear it. I hear it. Oh, no. I don't have time. Not the time for it, Raiden. Come on, get up. Get up. Get up there. Okay. I hear it. I heard it right there. I hear it. I heard it right there. Yep, there it is. There it is. There it is. Yes.
Colonel, I've neutralized the bomb.
Good work, Raiden.
It was a great loss for everyone.
Yes, it was.
Colonel, any damage report on the explosion?
Seems that the duct for diverting the contaminated seawater was destroyed, and the central section of Shell 2 is flooding. The explosions ignited the oil slick on the surface.
What about the toxins?
The chemicals stayed in containment. There's no immediate danger.
Is the big shell stable?
Shell 1 was unaffected. The price was high, but the threat of the bomb is over for now.
What's the next objective?
Rescue the president. Get back to the upper level.
Roger that.
Alright. Wow, that was intense. That was totally intense. The music was scary. And that actually made my heart race so much. I never expected Metal Gear to have this kind of creepy songs. These kind of creepy songs in this game. Yeah. Wow, I did not expect that. Alright. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Sorry if this is a little bit short. I just wanted to stop the bomb. And I gotta say, I am really upset that Peter is dead. And yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Remember to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, guys, peace.